Let's study the sounds. A apple. I like to eat an apple. B balloon. I play with a balloon. The soft s sound. C circus. I am going to enjoy the circus. The hard k sound. C cat. The cat is under the table. D duck. The duck is swimming in the pond. The short a sound. E egg. I bought a carton of eggs. The long e sound. Eat. He is eating an orange. Fish. The fish is swimming in water. The hard g sound. Gift. I feel happy when I get a gift. The soft j sound. Giraffe. I saw a giraffe in the zoo. House. What a big house. The short I sound. In. My friends are sitting in the inn. The long I sound. Ice. He is putting the ice in the glass. Jelly. I like to eat jelly. Kite. He is flying a kite. Laptop. He uses a laptop when he studies. Monkey. I saw a monkey in the zoo. Night. Look, what a night. The short sound. Oven. Please take the pizza out of the oven. The long O sound. Octopus. The octopus lives in water. Pink. She wears a pink dress. Coin. This is the picture of a coin. Run. The horse runs fast. Snake. See the snake in the grass. Tiger. Look at the tiger in the cage. The short sound. Uncle. He is my uncle. The long U sound. University. I will study in a university after college. Van. I go to school in a van. Water. I sit and drink water. Fox. The fox is very clever. Yolk. The color of yolk is yellow like my dress. Z, zoo. Let's go to the zoo.